Stanford Prison Experiment was conducted in 1971 by psychologist Philip Zimbardo and his team to examine the psychological effects of perceived power and authority within a simulated prison environment. The Stanford Prison Experiment begins at the basement of Stanford University's psychology department on August 14, 1971. After undergoing a psychological assessment, participants who were primarily college students were randomly assigned roles as either prisoners or guards. They were offered $15 a day. The prisoners were arrested at their homes by actual police officers, booked, and given prison uniforms. They were subsequently blindfolded and transported to the mock prison. The experiment started with the prisoners being strip-searched and deloused. They were then assigned identification numbers and confined to their cells. The guards asserted their authority by implementing strict rules and routines. As the prisoners became accustomed to their roles, they began to rebel against the guards' authority. The guards, influenced by their perceived power, gradually adopted aggressive and authoritarian behavior. They employed physical punishments such as push-ups, solitary confinement, and withholding food as means of control and punishment. The prisoners were deprived of sleep as a form of psychological torture. The guards disrupted their sleep patterns by conducting frequent nighttime disturbances and enforcing arbitrary rules that prevented adequate rest. The guards subjected the prisoners to public humiliation, making them perform degrading acts or stripping them naked in front of others. The study was terminated after only 6 days due to the increasingly abusive behavior of the guards and the severe mental deterioration experienced by the prisoners.